This is our Excavation Day celebration. This is actually an annual event. Historically, it had been run by the Damage Prevention Council of Texas. EPCC took it over, so Ceci Maurer with our Risk Management Institute led the effort. We had a number of community partners come together. But first and foremost, this is really an event that highlights the need for safety in construction, excavation, digging. We want to prevent damaged infrastructure, but first and foremost, we always want to make sure everybody is staying safe.
The Excavation Festival that we're having to bring in construction industry and provide safety procedures on how to excavate properly, how to make sure that when you do a trench, it doesn't cave in. It's also very important that you contact Texas 811 for proper excavation procedures.
One of the things we did today, we did a presentation in which we dug a trench. And one of the areas that people tend to lose their life is when people are working, and we see this here in construction here in El Paso and other areas, where people are working inside a deep trench, laying a pipe, a sewer pipe, water pipe, gas line, whatever. And so some of those contractors will not provide a protective system, and next thing you know, that thing is collapsing on them, and now we've got a rescue effort or recovery efforts. So we had the fire department here today. They brought a dummy, they put it in there, and they showed us a demonstration on how to rescue somebody that would be stuck inside a trench. And then we also had a helicopter here today that responded right away in order to take that person to the hospital.
So the Risk Management Institute runs on a very generous grant from Texas Mutual. We receive a $100,000 grant to do safety training for area businesses. A lot of the construction companies that you see today benefit from that. And so these are running year-round.
We teach OSHA-related courses, which is safety-related courses under the Occupational Safety and Health Administration. So we teach OSHA 10 and 30-hour courses in English and Spanish for general industry and construction.
We have OSHA 30, we have OSHA 10, we have high voltage, we have confined confinement. There's a lot of these classes that are offered free through the Texas Mutual Grant and through the Susan Harwood, which is a federal grant from the Department of Labor that provides free safety classes to the industry.